Hey, what's up guys? Today back with another video of Phineas and Ferb, and we're going to be playing Phineas and Ferb Star Wars. Oh, and guys, if you watched it, Phineas and Ferb Star Wars, if you've seen that, like the video and subscribe. Comment down below if you like Phineas and Ferb and view. Well, enough talking and let's just play the game. It's called Jordan Masters, so let's get started. A couple summers ago in a galaxy far, far away, Phineas and Ferb were living on Tatooine as moisture farmers. I like it when Phineas is being as Luke Skywalker. Guys, unfortunately I can't read all the text here, but I really like Phineas and Ferb. So anyway, let's start off with level 1. I'm gonna be doing 3 levels, guys. Let's just start off with level 1. Let's see here. And guys, leave a comment down below who is your favorite Phineas and Ferb character and who's your favorite Star Wars character. My favorite Star Wars character is my favorite Star Wars character is R2D2, because I think he's a droid maybe. Go! Get all the coins here. Oh, it got 2 coins. Not too bad. Here it shows Perry. I'm not sure who Perry is being. I forgot about that. For Star Wars later. Hmm. See if we could do that thing right here. I don't know what that's called. Yes, I got all 3 coins. Let's see if we get through here. Yes! Last one, guys. There is 2 of them now. There's 2 of them. There's 2 of them. Go! Go! Come on, you can do it. Yes! Got all 3. Well, thank you guys for watching my videos.